If you own an iPhone, you're probably carrying one of the best smartphone cameras available, but chances are you're not using it to its full potential. A few simple camera settings can dramatically improve your photos and videos without downloading any extra apps. Here are the settings every iPhone user should know. First, turn on grid in the camera settings. The grid helps you line up your shots using the rule of thirds, making photos look more balanced and professional. It's one of the easiest ways to instantly improve your composition. Next, enable level. This feature shows when your iPhone is perfectly straight, which is especially useful for landscape shots, overhead food photos, and flat lay pictures. It helps eliminate crooked images before you even press the shutter button. If your iPhone supports it, make sure 48 MOP or high-resolution photos are enabled when you want maximum detail. While these files take up more storage, they're ideal for vacations, portraits, or any photo you may want to crop or print later. For video creators, check your video recording settings. Recording in 4K at 30 frames per second offers an excellent balance between quality and file size. If you're filming action or sports, switching to 60 frames per second will make motion look much smoother. Another setting worth enabling is lens correction. This automatically reduces distortion on ultra-wide photos, giving your images a more natural look, especially when photographing buildings or large groups. Don't forget about photographic styles. Unlike filters, these styles adjust tone and color while preserving natural skin tones, allowing you to customize the look of your photos before you even take them. Finally, turn on view outside the frame and prioritize faster shooting if they're available on your iPhone. These features help you capture moments more quickly and give you extra flexibility when framing your shots. With just a few adjustments, your iPhone camera can produce sharper photos, smoother videos, and more professional looking results every day. Try these settings on your device, and you may be surprised by how much better your next photo turns out. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more iPhone tricks and hidden features.